The wait is finally over. For years, the photography community has been caught in a frantic arms race of giant sensors, massive lenses, and cameras that look more like computers than art tools. But in the shadows, a quiet cult following has been pleading for something different. Something smaller. Something faster. Something that disappears into your pocket but hits like a heavyweight champion. We've seen the X100 series become a viral sensation, nearly impossible to find on shelves. We've seen the X Pro 4 redefine the professional rangefinder. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But for the purists who want the power of a flagship without the bulk of a brick, there was always one name whispered in the forums: the X-E series. And today, the ghost has returned. The Fujifilm X-E5 is here, and it isn't just a minor refresh. It is a complete reimagining of what a compact mirrorless camera can be. If you've been waiting for the perfect everyday carry camera, the one that makes you want to leave your phone in your pocket and actually hunt for the light, you are looking at it. But there's a catch. There's always a catch with a camera this ambitious. So, before you hit that pre-order button, sit back. We are going to deconstruct this machine piece by piece, from the new sensor architecture to the controversial design choices that might just make this the most polarizing camera of the decade. Why does the X-E5 matter so much in 2026? Look around. We are exhausted by AI-generated perfection. We are tired of the clinical, over-sharpened look of smartphone photos. The American photographer today is craving souls. They're craving grain. They're craving the feeling of a physical dial turning under their thumb. The X-E5 is Fujifilm's answer to that hunger. It's the miniature rangefinder that refuses to compromise. When you first see it, the footprint is tiny. It's barely larger than the original X-E1 from a decade ago. But when you pick it up, the weight tells a different story. The top plate is a solid slab of magnesium alloy. The grip has been subtly reshaped, just enough to give you confidence with a 23mm prime, but slim enough to maintain that sleek, tourist in Paris silhouette. This is a camera designed to be ignored until the moment the shutter clicks. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. For the first time in this series, Fujifilm has migrated the 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor into the E-line. Let that sink in. You are getting the same resolution and the same breathtaking detail as the XH2 and the X-T5, but in a body that fits in a jacket pocket. This isn't just about printing posters. It's about the freedom to crop. You can shoot a wide street scene, find a tiny detail in the corner, and crop in 200% while still having enough resolution for a high-end magazine spread. It's paired with the X Processor 5, which is essentially the brain of a supercomputer shrunk down. This means the camera wakes up in less than half a second. The autofocus doesn't just hunt, it snaps. It uses deep learning AI to track eyes, faces, animals, and even high-speed vehicles. You could be walking down a crowded street in New York, see a fleeting moment of expression across the street, and the X-E5 will have locked onto the eye before you've even fully raised the camera to your face. But we have to talk about the film simulations, because let's be honest, that's why we're all here. The X-E5 introduces the new Reala Ace simulation to the compact line, and it is a revelation.